abroad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I bought myself an iPad. Of course I did not, my father did, but yeah, it was all over my Pinterest, my YouTube, my Instagram. Of course I searched it and AI did its work. So yes, we got ourselves an iPad, and this vlog is gonna be about iPad and its accessories. So yeah, let me show you. So yeah, here are our things. So yeah guys, before unboxing, let me tell you a few things. I bought myself an iPad and it's like Wi-Fi plus cellular. Like आप इसमें SIM भी डाल सकते हो. You can insert SIM, but it's not like you cannot directly insert SIM. It's like eSIM. You have to convert your normal SIM card into eSIM, then you can use it. Apart from that, I wanted to buy myself an iPad pencil, or like a Apple pencil. Yeah, Apple pencil. So it was out of my budget. Like we spent on something else, which you'll like get to know in next video, or by the end of this month, or next month, because I'm shifting to somewhere else. You'll get to know where I'm going. I was searching all over for its alternative, like something which can work like similar, because I wanted an iPad because to make notes for like my classes and all. So yeah, that's why I got. So I searched it all over YouTube. So if you are here who doesn't want to buy Apple a pencil because it's costly, it literally cost around 10,000 to 12,000 around, and this is from ESR. It's like affordable, which I'll let you know after unboxing. And also I bought myself paper cover. Okay, I'll let you know. Let's unbox it first, then we'll talk about it in detail. So yeah, there's nothing to know about like iPad. You all know how to use it. Like it's almost like tab, Android tab. So let's talk about its pencil. So it came with three tips. Okay, so there is not too much difference between Apple ka pencil or ESR ka pencil. This is the page I follow. It's here somewhere. So yeah, I searched from her. I literally watched her whole video so that I can get to know about apps to make notes or drawings and all. So there's not too much difference between Apple ka pencil or ESR ka pencil. It's almost similar. Like I had different options, but I chose ESR ka because let me tell you, it's almost similar. It's just it doesn't have pressure sensitivity. In Apple's pencil you get pressure sensitivity, which is like if you press it hardly it will give you dark color, and if you like slide lightly it will give you light color. That is pressure sensitivity which you will get in Apple का pencil, and इसमें आपको वो नहीं मिलेगा. And I don't draw or something, so it's okay for now, though I'm gonna buy it. So for now it's okay for me. I'll provide you link. It's somewhere here or in description. I'll let you know about the price and all. There are two type of screen protector. One is normal, which you use normally like phone के cover में जो अपन use करते हैं वैसा ही आता है. And another one is this paper like. So एक पेपर लाइक ब्रांड है, आप उसमें जा सकते हो. बस इस टाइप का मुझे मिला नहीं उसमें, तो मैंने ESR के लिए, बिकॉज ESR इज़ अ गुड ब्रांड. मैंने जितने भी रील्स स्क्रॉल करे या फिर रील्स तो नहीं, यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स, उसमें मुझे ये सबसे अच्छा लगा. और ESR के पेंसिल में एक और डिफरेंस है कि इसमें सिर्फ दो चीज़ नहीं है, एक ब्लूटूथ एंड वन इज़ प्रेशर सेंसिटिविटी वाला, एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर टू एप्पल का. इफ़ यू यूज़ नॉर्मल प्रोटेक्टर, जब आप उस पर लिखते हो, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टू राइट ऑन इट, it feels like sand on it, like not so smooth. But if you use paper like protector, it gives you feels like you are writing on a paper or copy or something like that. I wanted iPad for notes only, so that's why I got it. Also jitna I searched, I get to know that normal screen guard protects your screen much better than paper like. तो कंसिडर इट ऑल्सो. लाइक मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगा, बिकॉज मैं कहाँ ही गिराने वाली हूँ, यूज़ फ़ोन केस वगैरह भी, और कौन सा मैं उसको फेंक के गिराने वाली हूँ. सो इट्स टोटली फाइन. ऑल्सो मैंने ये सब सर्च किया है, तो आप अपनी सर्चिंग भी कर सकते हो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा, सो दैट यू विल नो लाइक मोर अबाउट इट. और कवर तो यू कैन गेट एनी कवर. लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू बाई क्यूट कवर्स लाइक स्टिकर वाले जो ऑलरेडी ये चिड़िया. So I wanted to buy cute iPad case, but it wasn't available on anywhere. Like it was not at all available anywhere. Literally any app it wasn't available. So I got normal. Then I thought I'll buy a few stickers to make it look cute, but for now I am not doing it. Let me just use it for a while, then we'll make another video for like accessorizing our iPad, something kind of. And I'm sorry for the background noise, and thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more. I'm sure you will not gonna disappoint subscribing me, because by the end of this month or next month say, our content is gonna be super fun, because I'm moving to abroad for studies obviously. So yeah, we have a lot of content. So yeah, follow me, and if you like me, please like, comment, share and subscribe.